17s because you're done with those. So we've done all the horizontal lines, all the horizontal offsets, all the vertical lines. And now we're ready for the vertical offsets to create the horizontal lines. We only have two. One of them runs straight across the middle, and then one of them is 1 unit above that. You can make your decision how you want to draw those. Do you want to use your O-snaps, your grid snaps, or your offset? You pick. You do it. I'm going to use my O-snaps because it's a midpoint. Yep, midpoint's on. Turn on my O-snaps, and I'm just going to say L, enter. I go from midpoint to midpoint, and then I'm going to go offset 1 unit to go up, like that. And then, I've got 1 at the top too. I need to come down 1 from the top. So I'll set that offset again and go 1 down. Doesn't look like an F yet, but it's about to. It's not good enough to be an F yet. Yeah. I gotta keep myself entertained or I get sleepy. Okay, so I'm gonna yellow out the 1, and the 15, and the 1. And what's nice about that now is all of my dimensions are figured out. You can do the same. You can yellow those out. You can yellow those. Yeah, go ahead and keep up with it so I can tell where you are. Did you get it? You didn't fill out the 15, so I don't know. Did you get it? Yeah. Cool. So now any sketch you get, right, you see those red lines, you're like, ooh, that's work, I get paid. I can pay people by the highlighter. Every highlighter you use up is $1,000. How's that? It's about right, hourly. By the time these dry out, you've done about $1,000 worth of work. Just don't leave it on your desk like this, get the lid off. That's called fraud or something. Okay. Any questions about that? Are we good? Good. Everybody? Yeah. Okay. So now what's left? These circles. Okay, so you see all these different circles, and they all have different radius. Do you see that? So we have to draw these. Now look how they're set up. What do you know about the circle? Circles have a center point. Can you locate the center point of these circles?
Yeah, with a double offset.
Well, you could. AutoCAD is actually going to make it even faster than that. But just from here, what do you know? Just looking at the sheet, you know its radius, and you can see that it's tangent to certain other lines. So you know that there are 2 tangents, and you know there's a radius. Go up to the circle drop down and see if something matches that description. Hey, tan radius, isn't that cool? Click that option. And what does it say? What's your command line read? Specify point on object for first tangent. Let's start down here at this inside corner right here. Okay? It's asking for what's called a deferred tangent. It doesn't know how big the circle is, so it doesn't know exactly where it hits. But it's going to be tangent to this line, and it's going to be tangent to this line. So I'm going to click this line and then that one. So here we go. I mouse on top of one, I click. I mouse on top of the other and click. And then it says what?
Specify radius.
Do we know the radius?
Yes.
Then you can type it, 4.3, enter. See how that worked?
Yeah.
Okay, go do the others. I'm going to turn off my grid snap because it's in the way. And I don't need my grid anymore either, it's in the way. And I'm going to go ahead and draw the other circles. Enter. I got an option, TTR, enter. Click, click, enter. Go ahead and draw all the circles. As you draw them, yellow out so I can see when you're done. If you get one wrong, delete it, get it right.